watch me already are like, what? And then the new viewers are like, what just happened? Like, we confused. The whole crowd is confused. Editor, make me spin. I'm just playing. I don't have an editor. Wouldn't that be cool if I had an editor though? Because then I could just be like, editor, make me spin. Like, yeah, that'll be raw as hell, right? What's up? Y'all said y'all wanted a back to school video and the Instagram poll. And if you don't follow my Instagram, what are you doing? Literally, what are you doing? Go follow my Instagram right now. rzorrwolf on Instagram. If you want to participate in like just stuff like that, you know, because I like to interact with people that support me. Y'all voted for a back to school video for this Wednesday's video, so that's what I'm giving y'all. I also listened to the comments and somebody said they want a back to school video, and you know, of course I have to wait till July to do it because like, why would I film a back to school video in February? Y'all not even out of school yet. Like, yeah, I think this is the perfect time to do a back to school video, wouldn't you say? Look at me yapping. Y'all probably like, shut up and get to this outfits. But yeah, so this is gonna be like school friendly outfits. So I don't really know like rules and regulations for high school outfits. So I can't really say high school outfits because I know that I have like a younger like subscriber base too. Like I know y'all, some of y'all are in high school, and my high school, honestly, they did not have like any type of dress code stuff like at all. I did not get dress coded at all. I literally wore booty shorts. I wore booty shorts in high school. Don't be like me though, kids. Don't be like me though. That's not cool. So I don't know what y'all rules and regulations are at y'all schools, but that's how my school was. So I'm just gonna be going off of like college school back to school outfit ideas, but I'm gonna try to keep it like pretty friendly though. Like I'm not gonna, no, I wouldn't show up to school in booty shorts anyways. Like, bro, this should be like decently like a little modest, you know, but like I would wear like what I have on like right now to school. So this is gonna be the first outfit. Now I don't know how like high school is with this because I think I remember no chest like this maybe, or am I tweaking? I don't know. I think it's no shoulders. But like if you take this off, then your shoulders are out. But since this is a bolero, you know, you don't have to worry about that. I think something like this is perfect for anybody who's in school and don't want to like show too much, or also don't want to be dress coded or anything. So, you know, you can just add a little bolero, a little cover up over that, you know, and I think this is perfect for school. I did thrift like literally everything I have on except for these tights. I got these tights from Hot Topic, but they're just like spider tights. They also like cover you up, so like you're pretty comfortable. This corset isn't really like the best thing for like college classes because like I'm an art student, so I'm gonna be sitting in classes for like hours. But for something like my math class, I'm only there for like 2 hours. I can sit there for a couple hours inside of a corset like this. But like for a 7-hour class or like a 8-hour school day, I don't know about this one, but like just one class that day, this is cool, you know? But if you do want to wear a corset all day, I do suggest investing in a steel bone corset because, you know, this can mess up your body over time, I think. I'm gonna just put the information on the screen, dude, because I don't even know what I'm talking about. I just know I saw it somewhere and I believed it. I'm gullible, dude. I'm for sure getting scammed by AI in 40 years. Yeah, so, yeah, this is cool for like a couple hours in class. But yeah, this is the outfit. So cute. This is actually, like, I'm so innovative. This is actually a skirt that I am wearing as a dress. Like, I just pulled it all the way up, of course, so it's really cute. I love things with ruffles on it right now. I have hella ruffly things right now. I could have just worn a skirt because I do have a ruffle skirt, but I do like the way that this is, like, the way it's shaped. It just makes it, like, more poofy down here. Accessories, you know. I got this from my local punk shop in Chicago. This is from Etsy, and I thrifted this. Next, I want to style these low-rise studded pants. Now, school usually starts like close to fall, so like an outfit like this, yeah, cool for fall. You know, it's actually decently warm. You can like layer it up some more. Also, if you're in a school building all day, you're not gonna be that cold in this for sure. Pants now. Look close up on them. This is the brand on them if you wanted to know. I don't know how I'm about to style these right now, but I'm just about to throw some stuff together and see what looks good. I already have an idea. I do want it to be kind of simple because sometimes you really don't feel like putting on anything for it. You kind of just want to wake up and throw something on. So yeah, it's gonna be simple, kind of. I took off the choker because I don't think it matched this top, but this is a very simple vintage Forever 21 shirt. I just thrifted this today, actually. The color is so cute. Now, you can leave it like this, cool, but I do want to add a little bit extra because I'm extra as fuck. So I'm thinking either like this vest. So here's it with this vest. I don't know if I would wear this vest with this like this or not. I don't think I like the way this looks together. What do y'all think? Can y'all even see the full fit? I don't know. But yeah, I think I would wear this with a cardigan. Like this one. Like you're chilling, but you're still alternative. And I think it still looks very vampy like this, because especially with the stud showing, I think that looks really, really cool. Just a little chill outfit, you know? This outfit is so cute and chill. I love it so much. If you just want to wake up and throw something on, like some really cool, low rise, wide, well, these are wide leg or flare jeans regardless, with a long black cardigan. Hold on, let me be an outfit repeater real quick. Somebody in my comments also was like, can you do a video on how to be an outfit repeater? Yeah, cause like, you know, like in high school or like college, we're usually broke. And we really can't afford to buy a bunch of clothes and wear a new outfit every single day. So here we are. Okay, so this shirt, right? With the first skirt that I wore, period. Just take it and just swap stuff out. Just swap stuff out. This is tea. Are you putting it on? Hold on. Okay. Girl. Ate that up. Outfit. Number 3. You see how all I did was like pull the skirt down into a normal skirt and then put on this top, and now the whole outfit changed, now the whole vibe of the outfit changed. Like it changed from being super chill to being like a little fancy. Like it's still chill, like you comfortable as hell in your classes for real, like, but it still looks real good. Now, that's how you be an outfit repeater. You can wear your stuff a different way. You have a maxi skirt, try wearing it as a dress. Like you can also like pull it up and then snatch it in with like a safety pin and clip it in the back, because that's what I'm doing with this shirt right here. You can even see it. It's a safety pin in the back, so that you don't sew up your skirt that you want to also wear as a skirt again one day. Just use a safety pin. It's not bad. Just get you some strong safety pins. Don't get no cheap ones because then they'll just like unhook really easily. Next, I want to style these polka dot seal shorts. I'm gonna be pairing the shorts with this shirt that y'all saw me wear in the last video. I know I wore it in the last video, but God forbid a girl wears her clothes. This is like an outfit repeater video, right? So we outfit repeating for real. It's how it looks so far. Very basic, very non-school friendly. So boom, bolero for first out. I don't know if the sparkles from the sequins or whatever these little circle things are called from the bolero is gonna bother me with the way this is up here. Something about this outfit is bothering me though. I needed the bag on with it or something. I want to try the vest on instead with this instead of the bolero because I feel like it might look better instead. Okay, yeah, I think this eats a lot more. Okay, high key, I don't like this shirt with this outfit. It's just too much showing, like especially for school. I don't think I would feel comfortable at school with that on. I don't even know what I kept in or whatever, but I was just like putting together this outfit basically. So I have on this cami top. It's like a lacy cami top with this fishnet top, so that you can see this up here, but it's like not open because usually I would wear this top right here, fishnet one with like a bra top, but since it's for school, I wouldn't wear that to school, so I'd wear something like this. Then I have on the polka dot shorts, if you can see them well. These long flared out like knee-high leg warmers. This is very easy to put a jacket over. Also like one of those like big infinity scarves. I need to get one of those before the winter gets here. Not an infinity scarf, like it's like a really huge scarf. Like I'm gonna just show y'all a picture of what I'm talking about because I can't really describe it. Then I have my lip service jacket that goes with it very easily, very well. I also have this cardigan. Wait, not me low-key sleep. This is actually a really cute outfit. I love it with the cardigan on it. Like that was like the finishing touch to the outfit. That was the finishing touch to the outfit for I just need new tights and it's gonna be over with. Next I have this polka dot skirt that I want to style. I'm a little scared because I don't ever wear polka dots ever in my life. So this is gonna be a little experiment. I paired this skirt with this shirt because I think it just looks cute together. I have on a bra top under it, but like you can't really tell there's a bra top on under it. So I think that this is school appropriate still. It's not like you can tell that this isn't attached to the shirt. Like it looks like it's attached to the shirt. The skirt kind of looks like stripes a little bit more than polka dots because the polka dots are so small. Well, or maybe I just don't have my glasses on. Of course I need my purse. This is not my school bag though. I keep putting it on like this is gonna be my school bag. Unless like it's a chill school day, this is not my school bag. It's not built for holding a bunch of school materials like my laptop and stuff. It's not built for that. But still really cute though, especially with this outfit. This is really cute. And next I have this skirt and these tights. I want to style this skirt specifically with these tights because I feel like I haven't styled this skirt right yet. Like I've tried to so many times, but I just haven't done it right yet. So I'm gonna be styling it today. Okay, next next outfit, I paired it with this like ruffled top. I think it's so cute. This is such a cute outfit. This is my favorite. This is my favorite way I've styled this skirt. I almost sold this skirt because I just was not styling it the way I wanted to. But I was looking at it like, dude, this skirt is so cute. This literally matches exactly what I've been going for recently, like with my style. So why would I get rid of this skirt? Like, it's so cute. Okay, next I want to style this lacy slip dress. And the first thing I'm going to be pairing with it is the same bolero. So I ended up pairing this and the slip dress with some jeans. I just tied it up in the back. The dress was way too long to just wear. Yeah, I paired it with the studded jeans that I had on earlier. I think this outfit is cuter than I expected it to be. I don't really think it was gonna turn out good just because the dress was super long, but it turned out good. It eats. Actually, I really like it. I don't know about how school friendly it is. Actually, it's really not that bad because you still can't really tell that it's supposed to just be like lacy right here. Next, I have this corset that I'm gonna style. I have no bottoms on, so I'm like kind of squatting right now to show y'all the shirt without showing y'all my whole entire bushi. I'm gonna put these shorts on. I put this cardigan on, and the cardigan looks good with the corset, but I don't think the whole outfit looks good with the shorts. I think the shorts just don't match the vibe, if you feel what I mean. So I'm gonna put this skirt on with it. I think this will look a lot better. Yeah, this ate. I think I look so good. I think this is completely 1,000,000% in my element right now. Yeah, I feel so me right now. I can't wait to wear this somewhere. Oh my god, I can't believe I haven't thought of like an outfit like this. I just don't wear this corset because there's like boning sticking out of it that I need to fix. If anybody has any tips on what I can do about that, if you can even see it. Little pieces of boning sticking out of it. I'm pretty sure I mentioned it in a video before when I first got it, that the Depop seller didn't disclose that and then got mad because I was like, can I get half of my money back? Because she didn't tell me that it was going to be poking and stabbing me when I wanted to wear it. Yes, it's a whole nother day. Let's just ignore that, okay? We're gonna ignore that and pretend like it's all in the same day. It don't matter to y'all anyways, for real. So, but anyways, I think I'm gonna pair it with these shorts. I don't know, because I want to use this cardigan right here, and it's striped, so I don't want to use anything with patterns, because I want to use maybe the shorts with the polka dots on it, or the pinstripe shorts, but I don't think that would look good with this. Okay, so this is how it looks. Alright, next is this shirt courtesy of my boyfriend's closet, because I don't own any shirts like this. I think I'm gonna pair it with this maxi skirt. I think this would look the best with it. This is how I styled it. The purse just adds it all together because it needs the tail. It needs the tail. You're kidding? It needs the tail. This is literally, it needs it. So, yeah. I really love this outfit so much. Thanks, boyfriend, for this shirt. You know, it's now my shirt. I now own this shirt. It is now my property. So technically, I didn't steal it from him. It is now my shirt. Wow, everyone, look at my new shirt. I know, it eats, right? Yeah. Next one I think would be perfect is this top and some low-rise jeans. I think that would eat so bad, so let's do that. Okay, this shirt obviously looks so good with this skirt. Okay, yeah, obviously. You can't even see the bottom, but you already know it eats. You already know it eats. They're flare jeans. Flare on these are so cute. I love this shirt. It goes with so much stuff that I have in my closet. I think with being an outfit repeater, you just have to really just find stuff that goes with multiple things in your closet. If you get this item, make sure you style it with at least 2 things in your closet before you get it. Because if you can only style with one, then I don't know, unless you plan on getting another item that's gonna match that thing. You know? Okay, don't mind me. I have on the same outfit from the beginning of the video, but that's because I was retaking thumbnail pictures. But I'm gonna style this shirt again with ruffled skirt, I think. I don't know how this is about to look, but we're gonna try it. Okay, I put this vest on with this, and I think it looks so good. I did not expect this to look so good, just because the shirt is so tight and the silhouette of the skirt was bothering me before in the last video, so I just didn't know, but this looks really good together. I really like this. Also, I upcycled this shirt myself, so it didn't come like this. I put flared sleeves on it. It was just a regular lacy top, and I just put sleeves on it. But that's it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I'm really excited for next week's video. The way I've been scratching and itching to post next week's video, dude, this is my best video idea yet, and I just can't wait to post it. Y'all really want to watch it. For real, y'all really want to watch it. I'm gonna put so much effort into it, just like I put so much effort into this video. I'm just really we really putting that effort in this year, for real. So see y'all next Wednesday.